Welcome everybody, and if you are a follower and a subscriber, then welcome back. Thank you guys for being here. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you are doing so down below. I put out videos like this one every single day. Watch this, but this is the video, the second one I've done on how to trade the FOMC, the Fed meetings. How to trade this. People say it's too volatile, they don't trade it. They just don't know the right strategy. Okay, so I've done one video before. This one was for the Fed meeting on November 2nd. And it worked to a T again. 100% win rate over the last 21 Fed meetings. In my last video, I said the same thing, 100% win rate. I had a guy on Twitter criticize me saying there's no setup, there's no strategy that's 100%, which is correct. And in the last video, I said this is like a roulette wheel. You can hit black 20 times, but at some point, it's got to hit red. So at some point, this strategy won't work, but for the last 21 times, including this one, it has worked 100% of the time. And we're going to go through and show you guys how to do this. I've been talking about this over the last couple days. I've been talking about it in my Discord, Griswold Trading. That link is in the description below. We had guys in the room and girls in the room pulling off 50, 75, 100% plus trades. I took 100% on this trade. It works to a T, or it has worked to a T 100% of the time over the last 21 meetings. Okay, so we're going to show you exactly how to trade it so you can do it on the next one. Okay, so the very first thing we've got here, guys, what happens? And I want to say this is not my strategy. I did not create this. I found it on Twitter from a guy named GNOT. So you can go follow him at GNOTs. There was no videos on it, so I've created the videos to give you a little bit more of a clearer picture on exactly how to do this stuff. So at 12 o'clock, so the last Fed meeting at 12 o'clock, we ran down. This one, we ran up. If you caught this move, 282 to 283 to 287, a wicked good move if you got in on it, and congratulations, but that's not the one that we like to play. And I do want to say something, guys. If you see the ads pop up and roll through, those ads keep this stuff free. It allows me to put this stuff, the content, out for free for you guys, and I thank you, and I appreciate in advance that you guys let those ads roll through so we can keep this content free for everybody. Thanks. So let's get on here. Again, we had this run up on the 12 o'clock hour when the news came out. There was a 0.75% rate hike, and we have this run up. So now what happens? Now we wait till 12:30 or 2:30 Eastern when Powell comes in to speak his words. And I told people in the Discord, I said, we're likely going to see some chop here up until 12:30 or 2:30. And that's exactly what we had. We had a bunch of chop. We came down for 3 bars, inside bar, then we came back up. Chop. Okay? At 12:30, when Powell comes to speak, we take this thing in the opposite direction that it went at 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock, we ran up. 12:30, we run down. Okay, so I took this trade myself. I took a 383 strike. I went in today's expiry, Wednesday's expiry, and the time that I got in was 2:30, 36 seconds. So 2:30 p.m. and 36 seconds. And I jumped in, and we came back up a little bit. I rode it through, and boom, there was the move. We had to hold it. Now, again, this isn't strat-based, guys. There is no strat-based strategy here. This is strictly something else, but it has worked 100% of the time over the last 21 meetings. So we run down. I took my profit. I was at 100%. I took my profit. Other people in the trading Discord where I gave this information out for free were doing 50, 75, 100% trades in 7 minutes or less. And so I got out. This trade, again, if you would have taken this 3-1 setup, outside bar, inside bar, again, this trade ran to this point 400% on the trade. If you would have just stuck it out with one contract, I sold all of mine. 100% is good enough for me. Would I have liked 300 or 400%? You're damn right. But I'm very, very happy with 100% and the 5 figures that I take with it, or sorry, the 4 figures that I take with it. I don't want to get carried away and to what I'm making. It was 4 figures. But I'm okay with that. And if this runs 300-400%, awesome. You could have taken this trade again here, and it ran down even further if you would have held a contract, a runner. So you probably would have been looking, if you were, 100 here, 300%, 400% here, 5, 6, 7, 800% run. I'm going to check, and I'll leave it in the comments maybe. But a 7 to an 800% run if you would have held a contract. And the contract I bought was $99. So you could have made $800 in 2 hours. There's no other place in the world where you can do that on your own by yourself in 2 hours, $800. I shouldn't say that. There's plenty of ways to make $800 in 2 hours. But you didn't do any work. You clicked a button to say buy and you clicked a button to say sell. Zero work, $800, 2 hours or less. Okay? And that's it, guys. So when the next Fed meeting comes out, make sure you're following me on Twitter. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you're in the Discord. We're going to put this information out again. And we're going to win again at the next Fed meeting on these plays, on these setups. And you can also follow me for other reasons, because the strategy that we teach is 100% the easiest way to trade. We put out information like this for you guys every single day for free. So make sure you're subscribed. Follow me on Twitter. Get in on the Discord. I hope you guys followed this strategy. If you did, leave a comment down in the comment section below. Let me know what you earned on SPY, on QQQ, whatever you played off of the Fed meeting, whether it was futures or something else. Let me know what you played in the comment section below, how well you did. I want to hear it. Good luck trading for the rest of the month, guys. And every single day, I hope you guys nothing but the green. Wish you guys nothing but the best. And we will see you all on the next one. Bye-bye. You make my heart beat super fast.